Hey guys, what's going on? Wagwan, Shana.Kreations here. I know it's been a while, I know, but I'm here, I'm back. So with this video I'm pushing out for you guys, I just wanted to show you guys my little haul that I grab a few things from Bath&Body Works since they were on sale. So my main aim for this sale for the things that I grabbed was sweet scents, like coffee sweet, vanilla sweet, some kind of peach vanilla caramel sweet. I just wanted to smell sweet. So I was looking for a sweet fragrance like. So obviously I'm late to the sale. It started 2 weeks prior. So what was left is basically that's all I could actually grab. So the sale was pretty good. I got a few good things too as well. Surprisingly, I had to search though. So I'm going to show you guys what I got in this beautiful bag right here. Right, so this cashmere glow right here, we have that. And I think I got the shower gel for that one. Well, that's not a shower gel. Yeah, so here's the shower gel for cashmere, if you guys can see that. And they're smelling really good. So this is the body cream. I love body cream more than body lotion. And this is the shower gel, and this is from the winter line. So I got this sugar snickerdoodle joy. I definitely love how it look, for sure, look cute. Right, I got this Moroccan, if I'm pronouncing that right. This is the peach prosecco. Please don't kill me about my pronunciations, but this is a shower gel, and I'm telling you, this smells so good. Okay, the other thing that I got was this candle, eucalyptus rain, and let me tell you, this smell good. This, you know what, let me open it right now. This smells so good. It smells refreshing. It smells calming. Ah, my gosh, this is the 1 week, and actually when I saw it online it was about $7 because I was checking out the prices for the sale, and when I purchased it, actually went into the store, it was actually $3.65, I believe. So it was even better for the price, right? But I love it, guys. I really love it. It smells so refreshing. Let's see if there's anything in here else in here. Okay, so this brand basically this line go with this one. Oh, oops. Yes, so this is a pear cream, or creme, how you pronounce that. And this as well smells so sweet. One of the lady told me there, anything in this line or this line are typically really sweet scents, and I'm telling you, for this one it says it's baked pear, caramel sugar, and whipped cream. Let me tell you guys, this one smells so good. I'm actually gonna spray some right now. Yeah, oh my gosh, this does smell like sugar, like coffee, caramel, vanilla. Oh, really smells good. And I love, can I say that I just love how it looks on the outside as well. It really looked nice, yeah, I tell you. Right, so this is what I got in this all. Actually, let's focus on the cashmere for now, and let me tell you, it smells so good. It is so good. Let me see if I can show you the consistency. Here's more like a yellowish cream, and it feels like body butter to me. Right, body butter mixed with a little bit of lotion. That's how it feels. At it make your skin feel so soft. And we have the body gel here. The body gel smells just like that one. Nothing too fancy about the body gel, but it smells really good. Smells really good as well. It has a scent, if I could describe it to you, like peach. Yeah, it's a golden peach, lily petals, shimmering vanilla, and cashmere musk. I have no idea what that is. It has aloe vera and plus vitamin E in it as well. It's very gentle. It's non-drying formula, nourishes, rich and bubbly latter. Smell really peachy, but still have a little vanilla smell to it as well. That's one of the things that draw me to it as well. Oh, the body cream has shea butter. As I said before, it feels like shea butter. It actually does have shea butter in it. Let us focus on joy. Who doesn't want joy in their life? So let's focus on joy. So joy is from the line from December, winter time, Christmas time. As you can see how it look actually. But joy isn't playing around. Joy is actually good. Joy is sugar snickerdoodle. So when you hear about sugar, you're thinking about something sweet. So let's see here. So it has snickerdoodle spice, creamy vanilla, sugared musk. Come back with the musk thing again. I have no idea what that is. Spread holiday cheer and give the gift of joy this year. That was last year. But anyway, we're spreading the joy this year too. But let me tell you, I have to spray it on this one because I'm spraying the other one. It smelled good. This was the only one that I saw when I was digging around into those boxes, but it smells good. You smell, to me, you kind of smell like a gingerbread cookie, you know, those Christmas cookies, and you smell vanilla. I try to describe it to you guys. Vanilla. You smell the sugar, like brown sugar. You know you're using, like you're baking around Christmas time, but it smells sweet. It smells good, and it's not too overpowering. Don't smell a lot of alcohol in it as well, which I like. All right, so that's the joy. Let's put joy to the side, even though we love joy around, but let's put joy to the side. Okay, so let's focus. We're gonna leave the candle for last. Let's focus on this line right here, which is the Burley. How would you pronounce this guy? Burley pear cream. So this is a fine fragrance mist. Everybody know that? Yes. And this is, as I said, this is the baked pear, the caramel sugar, and the whipped cream. And this, guys, if you see this around in Bath&Body Works and you love sugary stuff, you love to smell sweet, and you love all of those things, please get it. Please, you will thank me later. Please definitely grab it. If they have the lotion for it, I would have grabbed it. If they had the body wash for it, I would have grabbed it too. So this is a definitely must. If I see it again, I would definitely. I don't even know if they might come back with this line. I have no clue. But this is really good. This is really, I have to spray it again. This is really good. The scent isn't overpowering, but it smells good. You can smell the pear. I kind of smell apple too, but maybe that's just the pear. But this smells really good, guys. Okay, yeah, so this is a peach prosecco. I'm trying. I'll go pronounce it afterwards. Anyway, guys, so yes, so this one is really good as well. This is also sweet, just like that one, but it gives you a sweeter scent, I find, with this one. This one is the peach, vanilla cream, and the Moroccan cookie. So those Moroccan cookies that you normally see into like the bake shop or something, they're normally sweet and nice and everything. This is what it's like. This is what it's like. So this is our next favorite right here. Go and purchase it. Go, please, run, go kick down their door and get it. You understand me? And it smells really good, guys. I wish I had the lotion for it. It smells really, really good. Okay, so last one is, we're talking about this nice candle here. This nice white barn scented candle. It was made with essential oils, which is good, more natural and everything for your environment, you know. Yeah, any good stuff. And this is the eucalyptus. Is it eucalyptus or eucalyptus? I'm gonna double check on that. But anyways, yes, so this is the eucalyptus rain, and it is really nice. It is not overpowering. It's more of a calm scent. it's more like when rain time fall and you can smell the rain from far away, but and you're in the house and you just smell it, and you just it's just so calming, but it kind of have a sweet scent at the same time, that kind of mixed with a little bit hint of mint. Yeah, this is very nice. This is very nice, right? And yeah guys, so that's pretty much it. The sale is going on right now. Maybe you can catch a few things. If not, you can wait again, or if you can't wait, them always have some kind of deal going on, so you can go by and see what you can get. As I said, these so far is these ones over here is my favorite so far. I'm going to try to hunt down the body cream or body lotion in them as well, but fingers crossed. But that's it guys, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, thank you for liking in advance, thank you for doing all of them good stuff there. All right, I'll see you in my other video later. My gone.